Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and today I'm going to talk about teen acne and especially acne marks that they leave behind. Now, when we talk about teen acne, it's very important to understand that we do tend to make a lot of mistakes. And apart from the hormonal issues, because I mean, not even issues, it's just that during the teenage years, your body's going through a lot of changes. So obviously, it will impact on your skin. One of the things that I felt that really helped me when I was a teenager and when I had my own share of more than fair share of acne when I was a teenager. One of the things that really helped me was eating right and drinking lots of water. I know it sounds like a cliche, but it really helps, guys. Personally, I'm someone who doesn't like to drink a lot of water. I'm just not someone who will naturally drink a lot of water. So here's what I do: I keep a couple of bottles like around the house. In every room, there'll be a bottle, and when I go off to sleep at night, I'll drink up about like half a bottle of water. When I wake up, I'll finish off the rest of it. So I kind of just have made these rules. Then you can have like an effervescent tablet once a day. So mix it with water. It tastes nice. It's good for your health and also good for your skin. And of course, you're drinking an extra glass of water that way. You can start making detox water. There are plenty of recipes also of detox water on YouTube. You can check them out. So that's a good way to start with things. However, when we talk about acne, it's very important to understand that whatever else is happening inside your body, it's also very important to keep your skin clean. So it's usually seen with people who sweat a lot, and if you spend a lot of time outdoors sweating, and that's clogging your pores, or with people who have oily skin. With dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, you can still have acne, of course, but it's usually seen when your skin is not very clean or clogged. So for this, like I always say, start using a chemical exfoliator in your skincare routine. You can use a salicylic acid based face wash. This gel based face wash, personally I love using it a lot for my dry skin, and it can be used by teenagers also. If you have oily skin, you can actually look at an AHA BHA foaming cleanser like this one. If you already have a cleanser which you don't want to switch, you can actually start using a face mask with salicylic acid, an AHA BHA face mask, something along those lines. But start using a chemical exfoliator to clean your skin really, really well. This will help you tremendously, and it will help in unclogging the pores. It will help in keeping your skin cleaner from deep within. So yes, I think that definitely makes a huge impact when you're dealing with not just acne but also acne marks, because your skin wants to heal the acne marks. It's not like your skin doesn't want to heal it. So when your skin is cleaner, it will be more relaxed. It'll be able to heal itself better. Now, after cleaning your skin, when you want to use a serum, I would definitely recommend a niacinamide serum, niacinamide or vitamin B3. It's absolutely wonderful for dealing with acne marks. Okay, so this particular serum which I have, actually I was recommended a niacinamide for the first time by my dermatologist when I had acne marks myself. It was a long time ago, so a lot of you will be like, I've never seen you with acne marks. It was way before YouTube started for me. But even back then, it really, really helped me. So the one that I have with me right now, this one is not that old, but yes, this product is very, very promising because it's a 15% niacinamide face serum. Now, 15% is actually the highest concentration of niacinamide I have ever seen in a serum or a face cream also for any skincare product. And niacinamide or vitamin B3, like I just said, it's a very gentle ingredient. I mean, it's potent, but it's not harsh on your skin. So 15% is a good amount. Okay, it's gentle, it's potent, and it does the job really well. So let me tell you a little bit more about this serum before I move ahead. It's actually so this is the 15% niacinamide face serum, and it's actually designed for acne marks. So niacinamide, it contains niacinamide. It also contains zinc as one of the actives. So niacinamide is great for cleaning your skin by preventing acne and also fading acne marks, and it also helps to visibly improve large pores. Zinc is really good for regulating sebum production, which helps to diminish the severity of acne and also promotes clearer skin. So it's this serum, while it is designed specifically for acne marks, it's actually great for acne marks and also dealing with acne, because the sebum production it controls, and controlling the large open pores and things like that. So I'll put the link if you want to know more about it. I'll put the link in the description box below. This is from the same brand, the Dermaco, which I've talked about for a lot of times in the past as well. Dermaco is basically a brand designed by dermatologists, so it's a very safe, effective brand, which is why since this is a video which I'm doing for teenagers, of course you can use these ingredients and these products even when you're in your 30s, 20s, 40s, 50s, 60s. These are very safe ingredients ingredients, dermatologist recommended ingredients, and the brand itself is designed by dermatologists. So it's a very safe, effective, scientific brand. And I love how clean and honest this brand is, right? Because right on the product packaging itself, the amount of niacinamide is actually mentioned right there. It's very transparent. Also, by the way, the product is dermatologically tested and paraben and SLS free. So I will put all the details in the description box below if you want to check it out. It's available on various e-commerce websites like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, but I would recommend that you buy directly from the Dermaco website itself, because then you can use this coupon code SWS20 for flat 20% off across website. So what I want, oh, by the way guys, I have to mention this. I know I'm slightly deviating from the topic, but since we're talking about the Dermaco, they have also launched India's first masterclass, so you can attend this masterclass, learn about skincare, learn about the ingredients, learn about actives. I've actually attended 2 of these masterclasses myself, and I have learned a lot. So if you're interested, if you just want to understand skincare and ingredients and products a little better, you can actually check it out. It's really amazing. And as the product in itself, here's how you use it. So of course, you can use a chemical exfoliating face wash first, or any face wash that you're currently using, and just take a few drops of this, preferably at the back of your hand. Don't touch it directly on your skin, because if you have acne, you don't want to do that. So apply it in small dots all over the face and just massage it gently, pat it down so your skin can absorb it really well, and then immediately lock it in with a nice face moisturizer. Now moving to the next step, which moisturizer should you ideally use when you have acne problems, and especially when you're dealing with acne marks? So if you're specifically dealing with acne marks, I would definitely recommend following this up with a niacinamide face cream, because it just amplifies the results of the serum. Alternatively, you can also pair it up with vitamin C. So niacinamide and vitamin C also work really well together. Vitamin C is great because it also brightens up your skin, makes your skin look more radiant, happy, and also helps in dealing with the marks. So you can use either niacinamide face cream, or you can use a vitamin C face cream. Both work really well. And please use a sunscreen, guys. I cannot stress this enough. When you're dealing with acne marks or even acne problems on your skin, it is so important. It is honestly so important to wear a sunscreen, because sun damage can actually aggravate the acne. It can also cause your skin to get red. It can also cause rashes, especially if you have sensitive skin. So always lock everything in with a cream and then follow it up with a nice sunscreen. Which sunscreen to use? Again, I would recommend looking for a zinc based sunscreen, because like I said, zinc has a lot of benefits. While talking about the serum, I already mentioned this. So zinc based sunscreen is definitely a very good idea. Apart from all of this, I have personally also experienced this, that if you have extremely dry skin, once a day, apart from this routine, like this routine you can follow it twice a day, apart from that, once a day whenever you can, try to apply aloe vera gel on your skin. Okay, this is specifically very good for people with normal or dry skin. Do a patch test. Aloe vera doesn't suit everyone, so a little bit of aloe vera gel can definitely help your skin get revive and kind of get better. And apart from aloe vera gel, for people with oily skin, if you have acne and acne marks, you can actually apply a bit of multani mitti or sandalwood powder, or not sandalwood powder, sandalwood paste on your acne marks and acne. It will just help in drying it up a little bit, and that can help in dealing with the problem a lot faster. Okay, so these are just some 2 tips if you're looking for home remedies. But the skincare routine which I just mentioned, guys, of course you need to pick and choose what works for you. But niacinamide, I think definitely a big thumbs up, and it's highly recommended by dermatologists as well. So that's something you definitely want to look at when you're dealing with acne marks especially. And if you have already used niacinamide as a face serum, or otherwise niacinamide in your skincare routine, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, what you felt happened, and just let me know. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.